Hello and welcome to SINFT. I'm Suki, Foreign Trade Account Manager. Today we are in episode 19. In this episode, I'll make a brief introduction of SINFT replacement RRR filter element. Our bypass oil cleaners use a unique technology that's quite different from standard filter setups. The design forces the oil to pass through 14 millimeters of specially engineered filter media, creating three distinct stages of filtration. The cellulose filter media also absorbs water droplets, effectively drying the oil to less than 100 ppm, removing up to 99.9% of all solid contaminants, absorbing water down to less than 100 ppm, eliminating oxidation residues, varnish, and tars. Below are the dimensions for SINFT replacement RRR filter elements. Provide online or offline oil filtration and purification solutions to remove impurities, moisture in the oil, prevent oil oxidation and acidity rise, prolong the service life of the oil, reduce the cost of oil, and prolong the service life of the equipment. The oil purifier has a built-in independent oil pump, which can continuously purify the oil, and the filtration accuracy reaches NAS5 to 7 level. Pay attention to environmental protection, reduce wastewater, waste liquid, and carbon dioxide emissions. Equipped with parking devices for leakage, overload, and saturation of filter elements. Equipped with filter replacement instructions. Equipped with oil pumping and filtration conversion device. For more information or to place an order, please visit SINFT official website. See you next time!